I think they put this section for, this section is only for oranges. Oh my God, those are the plants I have. Those are the plants I have. Oh, I think they didn't know. Those ones didn't cover and they're not looking good. And I didn't want a lot of those ones. That's the reason mine are looking that way. Okay, now I understand. And I want a couple of mine. Oh, they're going tall, but I don't want mine to go tall. I think if I have this plant, I'm going to cut it down. But this section is garden section. It's orange citrus section only. But I came for evergreen, guys. I have to see what stay alive for them. And those are the ones I will buy. Ah. Man, did you see over there? Wak a lot bo anon kade kote lot grandi yo? Ite men em jist lot bo. E pa sa se li gen plus lot bo a, oui?